Alright, what is up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up Microsoft Teams. So first things first, click the first link in the description below and it should take you to this website right here. This is the website to download Microsoft Teams. So then click on download for desktop and download Teams. And it should start the download here in a second, as you can see. So let it download and then we'll begin the installation process. Okay, so once you're done, this is what it should look like. You should have a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams right here. So just double click on that and it should ask you for your credentials. So use your sign-in address and password that were given to you by your organization. So once you guys sign in, this is what it should look like. And our main focus today is going to be on the Teams section and the calendar section. This is going to be everything that we need to set up our own room and to give students access and stuff like that. Okay. So if you're not already on the Teams section, go to the Teams section and create a team. Okay. You're going to have 4 different choices. So choose class. Okay. And for name or description, description, we're going to leave it, so we're not going to write anything down. But for name, we're going to write the name of your subject plus the section that you're going to be teaching, okay? So in my case, it'll be EL 117. And then for my section, it's 1301, okay? So EL 117 and 1301. Next. Okay, it's going to start creating your team, and then it's going to ask you to invite students or teachers, but we're not going to do this for now. Just skip this. Okay, and there you go. EL 117 1301. This is your new team. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go to the calendar section here and click on new meeting up top here. Okay, this will give you some it's going to ask you for some information. So what we're going to do is for the title, we're going to write the exact same thing that we did for our team. So that's going to be the name of our subject. So EL 117 and then 1301, that's my section. Okay, now it's going to ask you when is the lecture going to start. So for me, I'm going to put the lecture so that it starts on 6th September. Okay, 6th September, and I'll say it starts at 4 p.m. Okay, yours could differ. This is just an example. When does it end? It ends on September 6th as well. And I'll say it ends after 2 hours. So that's 6 p.m. Okay, and it should show you 2 hours here. Okay, moving on. Here we have this circle, rewind circle. It says does not repeat. What this is basically Microsoft Teams has this feature where it can open and close the lecture, so that as a teacher, you just go in and start teaching. You don't have to do anything else. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to set this up. So the first and most important thing is you should go directly to custom. Okay, so leave all of these and just go directly to custom. And we're going to, for start, end, and repeat we're going to, with start, we're going to go with when the actual uni starts. So that's going to be September 5. Okay, excuse me. Okay, and the end date, that's going to be, I think it was December 17. Okay, repeat we want to make sure, because now this will depend on the subject that you're teaching. So if your subject is every 2 weeks, you're going to put this to week and you're going to write 2 here instead of 1. Okay, but if your subject is like me and it's weekly, so that's every week, again, keep this on week and then make sure this is on 1 and not 2. Okay, now choose when does your lecture, or how many days a week is your lecture, and choose said day. So for example, mine is going to be Monday, Tuesday, and let me untick this. So Monday and Tuesday. Okay, read down below to make sure that what you're saying is correct. So occurs every Monday and Tuesday starting from 9/5/20. So 9/5/20, that's week 9/5/20, not day. Okay, so starting with the week of 9/5/20 until 12/17/20, it'll be every Monday and Tuesday. So the room will open by itself every Monday and Tuesday. Okay, once you're done with this, just click on save. And next, we're going to add our channel. So our channel is basically the team that we made. So as you can see, just click on it right here. Once you click on it, it'll open for you the team. So EL 117 1301. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on general. Okay. Once you're done with this part, all you're going to do is go to send. Okay. Once you're done and you click send, just go back to the Teams section here, and you should see in the chat area that you scheduled a meeting. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. So click on your message like so, and it should open up your meeting options and everything that you just wrote down. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to go up here to meeting options, click on it, and it should open up your web browser. Okay, so yours might actually ask you for your credentials one more time, so make sure you put that in. Mine didn't. So, but there is a possibility that that might happen to you. So, who can bypass the lobby? Make sure that it's not people in my organization, but rather everyone. Okay, so make sure that this is on everyone. Announce when callers join or leave. Yes, and who can present? Make sure that this is on only me. Okay, because if everyone can present, then it'll be a disaster in your class. So, who can present? Make sure that's on only me, and then click on save. Okay, once you see this done message, just close your web browser again, and you're good to go. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to set up our actual room now. So to get a link so that you can give to your students, what you want to do is go down here on this little writing section. We have join Microsoft Teams meeting. What you're going to do, as you can see, I can't really press it because it's not a link, but if you right click on your mouse, you should get the option to copy link. So you can copy this link and you can do whatever you want with it as a teacher. So you can send it to your group with your students, or you could send it so that it's put up on the LMS. Okay, that's your choice. Just make sure that you do that. Now, finally, let's join on the room. So when you click here, you're going to join on your first room on Microsoft Teams. So here we go. So as you can see, choose your audio and video settings. This is just to set up everything before you actually join. So if you press on this, this opens your webcam. This is for your microphone, and this is custom setup so that you can set up your microphone and speakers before you actually go in. So if you're like me, I have different stuff, different speakers and different microphones. So make sure that you're using the correct microphone. This is the one that I'm using. Speakers, I need to make sure that I'm using the correct one as well, using my headphones. And again, if you have a separate webcam, make sure that you check that one as well. Okay, once you're done, just close this part, and now you're good to go. So what you're going to do next is click on Join Now. It's connecting, and there you go. Boom. This is what it looks like on inside the room. Okay, you as a teacher, this is what it'll look like for you. Okay, so like we said, you can turn your camera on with this. You can mute yourself for a second if you want to take a 5-minute break. This share tray is used like if you have different slides on your PC, so you could use different windows. So if I press on desktop, this allows me to show my desktop to my students. Okay, I'm not going to do that for now. And then we have more actions. So I'm going to skip more actions for a second, and we're going to go to attendance. So if you want to take attendance, what you're going to do is move all the way to show participants and click on it. So this should show you everybody that's in the call. Okay. Once you take attendance, you can just click on X on here, and it'll close it right back. Okay. Pretty simple so far. Now let me show you how you can record your lectures so that, you know, if you want to put it up on the LMS later, if you want to send it to your students, it's much easier this way. So more actions, you're going to click on these 3 dots, more actions, and then you're going to press start recording. Now, what this means is your lecture is being recorded. Okay. Now, you guys will see in a second that what I'm saying right now is going to be in a video. Okay. So let's say you've been recording for 2 hours and now you're done. You want to stop the recording before you turn off the call. What you're going to do is go to more actions again and stop recording. Okay? And boom. This meeting is being recorded. Are you sure? Yeah, I just want this to be over. I'm done. Okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to see my conversation before I turn off the call. So make sure that before you turn off the call, look at show conversation here and download your call. Okay? Or not call, sorry, your video, your lecture video. So let me show you one more time. I pressed start recording, okay? After I was done, I pressed so that I can stop recording, and then I went to show conversation here so that I can see my video. Now, what am I going to do with this video? I'm going to download it to my computer. So I'm just going to click on download. That means I'm just going to press this one, second one, okay? And it should have downloaded, okay? Now that we're done, I'm just gonna hang up, call's over, I'm done. Okay, so now that we're done, let me take a look here. Now go to my computer, go to the download section, and as you can see here we have the video. Now it's going to be named video. You can just rename it to your lecture and subject name. Okay, so video, let me open it for you real quick. Here you go.
Is your lecture is being recorded. Okay, now you guys will see in a second that what I'm saying right now is going to be.
There you guys go. So as you can see, this is the video. Obviously yours is going to be much longer than mine. Yours is probably going to be 2 hours. So yeah. So and that's it. Once you're done, you're done. You can obviously type if you have any final things that you want to say, and that's about it. So this was Microsoft Teams, you guys. I hope you're able to do the things that I did. And if you have any questions below, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.